What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Skedda. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Skedda, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Deathstep the easy way. Actually, there is no easy way. This is just for the title. No easy way. You're just doing it. Even if it's hard, even if it's easy, even I don't give a fuck. It's gonna be actually pretty easy as well. The way I'm gonna show it actually, but I really hope you enjoyed it and actually take some ideas from it and start doing it if you're not already doing it. So without a lot of talking, let's get started. So guys, first I'm gonna start by showing you the final result, and then you decide if you wanna watch the video. And now let's start making this drop. First we need a dope dubstep kick. I'm gonna start by using a simple cymatics dubstep kick. It's just gonna work, no other reason. And then we go for a simple dubstep snare, something usual. After that we start by making our simple rhythm pattern. We use a little bit of EQ to cut some low frequencies that we don't need, and this way we're gonna let our kick cut through our snares better. After that we're gonna need a couple of hi-hat loops just to fill our drums, And after that we start by making our core sound. A lot of Deathstep tracks have core background sound, and we're gonna make our own. Fortunately, Ableton has some core sounds. We're gonna use this. It's gonna just work. It's gonna work just fine actually. Making just a couple of chords, it's gonna be dope. Just a couple of chords, it's gonna be just fine. We don't need something more or something more fancy. I don't know. Just a couple chords. And after that we start finding some sounds for the drop. I'm gonna start by find a nice background noise sound. I'm gonna use it in the drop. This is gonna be our first background bass sound actually. We're gonna have also a bass background sound that will help a lot to the whole Deathstep feeling we wanna give to our drop.
And after that we start shaping our primary bass sounds, the sounds we're gonna have up front in the drop, we're gonna listen most. This is gonna be our primary bass sound. We're gonna use in this drop.
So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and actually I really hope you... So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you learned a couple of things for your productions, because the video was dope actually. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As you saw, it was actually a little bit easy, I can say. It wasn't a big deal. You can do it too, of course, and better than this, of course, because you are dope. So guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video.